Teachers of the SSA held a press conference today to oppose the move of the Meghalaya SSA School Association's decision to file a case against the state government of Meghalaya in relation to delay in payment of teachers' salary and other pending dues. One of the representatives of the teachers, B. Lingdo, said that teachers have been receiving salary though delayed, and therefore it is not agreeable that the association should take such a step as to filing a case against the government on the issue. He urged upon all teachers to once again ponder well on the consequences of the proposed action by the association.
Kinong hikai SSE kumway na kinong hikai SSE bat ngiru baro ki bangiyadang lang di kapor habang iyoi hakilat pathay kubor ba ka Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association kamut bat katmu ban file petition ya ka state Meghalaya ti kum kinong hikai ki bangidon ya kajing snukit kya idon yang kata kajing sengau lesi nang bentagi weipat ki para nong hikai balada ngiyaj da kan lenti lesi kan poi penban syauput jong kajing bat kan baglong ru ka bakham lesi kum ya ka bangilong mentah ti ngiburu kajing kerpat ya ka MSSE ba nginhap ban perkhat ba hagabai dei bakani gaphang baong bangin aikis ya ka state Meghalaya hagabai dei ban regularize ya baro kinohikai SSE hapo ka state Meghalaya kawai ka bang UI hakilat pathay kubor UI ki media ki press bawi presiden jong ka MSSE iong bangin file case ya ka sarkar Meghalaya by teachers name kata ka de gawe gamat kamanga kumway na ginong hikay nga don ya ka jing snokya ba lada i president iong ban file case ya ka sarkar Meghalaya da ka kerteng jo ginong hikay it means individually by teachers name ni snok kit kya hawi de bagali ka benta ka long ba lesi lasai anda habagi bapli kinong hikai ki bom tip ya ga lesi ki bom don ni gajing snotho ladang i file ya ga case ladang i ai daga kerteng jong unong hikai lani kanong hikai kamamut anda poi pat haka hering pat hato manu ban kit kle lani ban bat kle ya ki pat na banta ka kam kabakum ka MSSE central body kilayat chat menta syakmat banpan arhajar tingka na uway pa uway unong hikai nagabanta ka ni ban file case ya ka state Meghalaya